Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been wondering how and if there is a way to install Windows 11 without a Microsoft account, you came to the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to install your Windows 11 update without a Microsoft account. Even though Windows kind of forces us to use a Microsoft account, I'll show you how to bypass that. So let's jump right into it. It's going to be very straightforward, so go to this search bar and simply search for terminal. There are other ways and shortcuts to access terminal, but let's just be so straightforward here. So open terminal is going to look like this, and type the following with me. So first start, then space ms dash cxh, add these two dots and then go with local only, no space, and then tap on enter. You'll be taken to this page, and here you can go ahead and create a local account easily. Just go ahead and add the username, enter a password, and then enter the password again. So as you can see guys, I already have Windows 11, so I'm just gonna show you what to do if you are starting to install it and you don't want to use your Microsoft account. So you just follow up with me again. Let me do it again. So you just go ahead and start ms cxh, two dots, local only, and then you get this window. Once you tap on enter, you add the username that you want. So let's just type random stuff. Again, password here, you confirm the password, and then you tap on next here, and then you tap on done or something, and you should be good to go. Just like that, you have bypassed Windows, forcing you to basically use your Microsoft account, and you have installed Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in future videos.